One, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Ethereum price declines again. Bitcoin price gradually slips. What is really going on? Solana faces key test. What happens next could be game changing. XRP bull target $2.8 breakout. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazeem, aka KC the Great, and thank you for joining me on the show today once again. If you're just watching for the first time, this is how the show goes. We take a look at the news in the market. We talk about the fear and greed index. We take a look at the cryptocurrency market cap itself to know how we are doing. We look at the top 20 cryptocurrency on the market so you can know what coin you can invest in. Also, we dive into the chart analysis where we discuss what is really going on with all these token you are seeing right here. So if you've not subscribed to the channel and you're joining me right now, thanks for joining again. You might want to subscribe right now. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content that I drop for you on this great show. Also, you can follow me on X for more news that come out of the space. You can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok to benefit from some of the nuggets I will be dropping every now and then. All right, if you're still just joining the show, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Let's dive into today's news and see what is going on. Yes, Bitcoin might start its way above 100,000 US dollars now. Why XRP recovery began too early? And the question is being asked if Shiba Inu is going to dodge the death cross. That's what we need to take a look, and we need to understand this. But over the weekend, a lot of things happened. We all know from Kanye West ranting on X and to Binance CEO saying some of his opinion around the same meme coin Kanye West was talking about. But before we get down to the news, let's check what is happening with the Bitcoin over the weekend as well. Excuse me. And now if you look at my screen, you can see Bitcoin network activities plunges to year lows as BTC struggles below 100,000. Also over the weekend, Binance coin sells by double digits. Bitcoin taps 97,000. Still over the weekend, we saw spot Ethereum ETF demand outpaces Bitcoins, and people are saying is a flipping coming. And now let's dive into some other things that happened over the weekend. And this is crypto price slide as Trump announces new 25% tariff on steel and aluminum. You know, it's been saying it's going to increase the tariff from 10% gradually with China, and China too did the retaliatory tariff by imposing some things on US goods that will be coming to China as well. But over the weekend, Trump has now up the game and put it to 25. We all know Mexico and Canada, they still have their own pending just for a period of 1 month to see how they are going to talk it out. So now we have 25% over the steel. We don't know how the whole New York stock market is going to react today, but that is going to happen when the New York stock market happens later in the day. But over the weekend as well, we saw Kanye West came online on X and he was ranting with a lot of tweets. I bet you if you've not seen him, you might want to go check it out. And one of the outstanding tweets that he made mention was, after disclosing he was offered $2 million US to launch a token and asked to speak with Coinbase CEO concerning crypto. He came here and said he did not do it because he is not ready to sell his people. And you can see right here, Kanye West squashes meme coin launch rumors, says coin spray on the fans. And if you agree with me, I think he's right, because we know what a lot of these celebrities have done with shilling or supporting some cryptocurrency project, and they are not even owning it as well, just because they got paid some millions of dollars to do that, and they will do it and get their fans to lose their money. But now I think kudos to Kanye West for coming out and rejecting such thing, because he cares for his fans. A lot of tweets and other things were said. If you're interested, you might want to go to his page and check it out. Not only Kanye West now bashes the meme coin, we still have the Binance CEO also saying he has not held any cryptocurrency since what? Since he stepped down or something like that. Do you understand? And that is another thing I will be like, wow, that is really, really concerning. You understand? Because the Binance CEO sees it, says, I haven't bought a single meme coin. So it's not only Kanye West that has been, ranting and saying things about the meme coin. Even the Binance that we all know, the one of the founder, former CEO, because he stepped down due to the case against him, he said, I haven't bought a single meme coin. So I think we need to be careful, and like I used to say on this show, we need to be very, very, very careful. All right, let's move on and let's talk about Shiba Inu. This is another meme coin. Shiba Inu whales disappear. That's another news that is coming out over the weekend. Now let's get a news from one of the country, and this one is coming from the Central African Republic. And it is said that Central African Republic seemingly launches meme coin while doubts emerge. I don't know how true that is, but I'm still going to take a look at what and how that is going, and I'm still going to bring the news to your views in your ears. All right, that's what I have for you on the news today. Let's now jump into the cryptocurrency market cap. We all know on Monday, the event of the day, it's always nothing to write home about, and you can see we do not have any important news. Only we have this orange one, new lows in CNY and in Europe. European Central Bank President Lagarde would speak and talk about how they're going to control their own fund rate. So those are just the two important news. So nothing much to worry about, but we all know it is Monday. Now let's dive into the cryptocurrency market cap and see what is really going on with the cryptocurrency market cap. And you can see last week we were sitting on 3.3 trillion US dollars, and now we are sitting on 3.2. So I think we're dropping down a little bit, but the momentum might change this week. The momentum might change this week, so we just need to take a look at the chart and see how we're going to benefit from that. But nevertheless, let's take a look at what is trending. You can see what is trending right here. Central Africa meme coin is trending as well, so they actually launched it. You can see this is Central African Republic meme 0.26. That's what is trading right now. But I don't understand how a country will launch a meme coin, but we also what even the president of the United States of America did by launching Trump official coin, and the wife launching the Millennial coin. We're still going to talk about that on the chart shortly. But nevertheless, you can see the top gainers. Safe Moon is among the top guineas, and the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at 3.290 trillion US dollar, almost 3.3 trillion. And the last traded volume, because it's weekend, it's a little bit low, and it's about 100 and almost 120 billion US dollars. Now let us take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrency on the market list. Now number 1 still remain Bitcoin, number 2 Ethereum, number 3 is still Tether, number 4 is XRP, number 5 Solana, number 6 BNB, number 7 is USDC, number 8 is Dogecoin, number 9 is Cardano, number 10 is Lido Stake. Sitting at number 11 is Tron, that is TRX, and Wrap BTC is at number 12. Chainlink has now overthrown Wrap ETH that has always been following Wrap BTC, and Chainlink is now at number 13. And don't forget, we knew that the Liberty Financial Institution that has been backed by Donald Trump, they bought some of the Chainlink, so we don't know if that is the reason why it has moved up. But now we have Avalanche at number 15, Stellar at number 16, Sui at number 17, Toncoin at number 18, Shiba Inu at number 19, and sitting at number 20 is now Leo token. If you're interested in knowing top 100 token or top 1000 token, you might want to go to coingecko.com to know that, so you can know some of the project you can invest in. All right, if you're still watching the show till this time, thanks for watching the show. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content as we dropping it immediately. Also, you can follow me on X, on Facebook, and on Instagram, also on TikTok, to get all the nugget that I have for you on this great platform. So that's what the top 10 cryptocurrency looks like. Now let's dive into the chart analysis to know what we need to do this week. And if you're looking at the chart analysis, is giving a kind of consolidation with BTC. If you may agree with me, take a look at this. You see we've been inside this range for a couple of months now. Since December, we've not really moved ahead or make significant amount of points out of the market. You can see it's been going up and down inside the same box between 108,000 and 90k thereabout to 92,000 thereabout. You can even see last week we touched this 90k thereabout. And if you watched the show last week, I told you when the market was sitting at 102, I said please do not FOMO in because it is not yet back. But now, what is Bitcoin today? Let's take a look at it together. And if you're looking at the chart right now, you can see there's this doji that later turns green yesterday. This doji turns green yesterday, and now we're having another candle going above it. So to me, I can say we can get into the market now. We can buy BTC right now and put our stop loss at 94,600. We can get back into BTC right now and put our stop loss at 94,600. Because why I said we need to put our stop loss here, not here, is because this is a doji. It's not a clear structure or a clear how am I going to call it? It's not a clear signal, because on another exchange this might be red, and on this exchange this might be green. So when you have a very tiny doji like this, it's really skeptical, but not to miss the entry or miss it. We might get into the market right now at 97,000 thereabout that is trading now, and put our stop loss at 94,600. And this is for sports trader and investors. Make sure if you want to trade derivatives, margin trading and all of that, you need a lot of experience, and you can join my Discord channel and my Telegram channel to know much about that and get free signals to do that. But for spot trading and investors, this is for you. And also, I want you to know that this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. But with my years of experience in the game, I've always been right, at least with 90 to 95%. So somehow, somewhat, you can trust my analysis. But at the same time, make sure you do your own research before you invest on any or in any project. Also, make sure you invest with the amount you can afford to lose. All right, let's get back to the chart analysis. So BTC, it's a buy right now with your stop loss at 94,600. Now let's move into ETH. ETH is not a buy yet. ETH is not a buy yet. We still need ETH to clear this movement for us. We still need ETH to clear that movement for us. ETH is not a buy yet. Let's take a look at SUI. SUI also, I put it last week that if we break it, we can get into the market, but it did not break that place. So SUI too is not a buy. We need a nice structure. We would have said we should get in here, but you can see this invalidated this, and all this movement is still happening inside this. So we need another green candle to break above it, so we can stay away from SUI. Also, let's take a look at XRP. XRP will be a buy if we eventually break above $2.05, and we need to sell if it breaks below 2.2 cents. Let's take a look at AVAX. AVAX right now is not a buy yet as well until it breaks above $25, and we're going to put our stop loss at 23.5 US dollars. Now let's take a look at AAVE. AAVE is not a buy yet. We need AAVE to break above $247, and our stop loss, or where we need to sell, will be at 228 if it doesn't go our way. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is a buy. Solana is a buy now. We can buy Solana. Solana is a buy now, and the stop loss will be right here at 187. Solana is a buy now. You can get into Solana now, and make sure you put your stop loss at 187. Let us take a look at ADA. ADA is not a buy yet. Please stay away from ADA. ADA is not a buy yet. And Toncoin, let's take a look at Toncoin. Toncoin also, it's a buy now. Toncoin, it's a buy now. You can buy Toncoin now, but make sure you put your stop loss at 3.66. Yeah, Toncoin, it's a buy now, but put your stop loss at 3.6. When I mean stop loss, that is where the market should sell you as a spot trader or an investor. For derivatives, future, margin trading options, please subscribe or join my Discord channel and my Telegram channel. It's free of charge to take derivative trade because it's leverage. We trade with hourly, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, and so on and so forth. So, and it's so risky, so you need to have experience. That's why I give signal on those group. So you might want to join them if you're interested in trading leverage trading. So that's that with Bitcoin and altcoins. Let's now check what meme coins are looking at. As we all know, Kanye West was ranting, and he came out to say he was offered $2 million for him to launch a meme coin and also discuss with some CEO and all of that, but he rejected it because he feels like it's a prey on the fans, which I applaud Kanye West for that. And also, let's take a look at the same thing coming out from Binance CEO. Binance CEO says he has not bought one meme coin. Now, let's dive into the meme coin and see how they're doing. And of course, we're going to start with Dogecoin. And if you look at Dogecoin, there is not a buy yet. No buy yet with Dogecoin, because you can see this is the movement. We need another movement to finish. So the only thing I can say is if Dogecoin is even able to break above this 26 cents, we might want to get into Dogecoin. But for now, stay away from Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not a buy yet. Okay, Shiba Inu is a buy now. Yes, Shiba Inu is a buy now. Shiba Inu is a buy now. Shiba Inu is a buy now. And the stop loss is right here at 0.014. Shiba Inu is a buy now, and the stop loss is at 0.014. That is where you need to sell. If you're interested in buying Shiba Inu, you might want to buy Shiba Inu now, but make sure you set your stop out at 0.015 as an investor or sports trader. Let's take a look at another meme coin, and this one is Pepe. Pepe also is looking like it's going to break out anytime soon, but we need to wait for Pepe to cross 0.000098 before we get into the market. We need Pepe to cross that, then we can put our stop loss at 0.00000847. Now let's take a look at Ondo. Ondo is actually a buy here. Yes, that's a buy for Ondo right there, and the stop loss has been hit over the weekend as well. So right now we need to wait for another movement. So right now you might want to stay away from Ondo. Let's take a look at X. Let's take a look at X. X also is gearing up for a buy. So let's see if X can cross 0.000617 thereabouts, and we can probably put in some money there, but let us know we're going to sell if it comes below 0.000531. Also, let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is a buy now. Notcoin is a buy now, and you can put your stop out at this. You can buy Notcoin now, but put your stop out at 0.002680. So Notcoin is a buy now. You can buy Notcoin. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs also is giving us, this is not a buy yet, so we need Dogs to cross 0.00019. 0.0019. If it crosses 0.00019, we might get into Dogs as well, and our stop out will be at 0.0001553. Now let's take a look at Nero. Excuse me. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero is not a buy yet as well. We need Nero to cross. No, Nero is not a buy. Just stay away from it, because we have an activation there, and we saw it invalidated over the weekend, but didn't break the stop loss. So I won't advise you to go into Nero now. Wait, let's have another clear entry before you go into Nero. Let's take a look at Deep. Let's take a look at Deep. Let's take a look at Deep. Deep also, stay away from Deep. Let's see if Deep is going to finish today and we have another continuation. Let us take a look at RSR. Let me remove this. Let's take a look at Popcat. Yes, Popcat is a buy now. Popcat is a buy now. Popcat is a buy now, and stop loss is right here. Popcat is a buy now. Stop loss is now, your stop out is now at 0.2568. Yes, 0.2568. Popcat is a buy now. Let's take a look at Trump meme coin. Trump meme coin is not a buy yet. Please stay away from it. Trump official is not a buy yet. Please stay away from it. Let's take a look at Millennium meme coin. I told you last week that if Millennium meme coin should break above here, you can buy it and put the stop loss here. So it's still a buy because it has not break below 1.365. So Millennium meme coin is still kind of a buy until it breaks below 1.36. That's when I can tell you. But right now, Millennium meme coin is consolidating and it might shoot up any moment from now. But if you ask me, can you get into Millennium meme coin, I'll say yes, you can buy it, but make sure you put your stop out at 1.365. All right, that's what I have for you on the show regarding the chart analysis today. And as of now, you can see BTC is still trading at 97,313, and I just told you BTC is a buy. But mind you, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. If you really want to invest in any cryptocurrency or any coin, please make sure you do a little bit of research. Make sure you do a little bit of research and trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. Trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. Do not follow any influencer or any gimmicks out there just shilling any coin for you. Do your own research, invest the amount of money you can afford to lose, and make sure you are okay with what you're putting in, because this is not financial advice in any way. It's just for education and entertainment purpose. All right, thanks for joining me on the show today. Thanks for watching to the end. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content as I drop them immediately. Also, you can follow me on X for more news that comes out of the space. You can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok to get all these nuggets that I have for you every day out of the cryptocurrency market space, and also trading and investment in general. All right, I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.